shooting incident involving high school students in Tacloban City. This happened just this morning at 9:20 a.m. of June 22, 2026 at the San Jose National High School at Barangay 87, San Jose, Tacloban City. There were a total of 10 victims, 3 deceased, all minors, and another 3 were wounded directly because of the shooting, and 4 others were wounded when they were panicked. May mga tumalon po sa bakod, so on and so forth. So, direct victims of the gunshots ay 6 po. We have taken custody of the 2 CICL suspects, an alias Rod, 15 years old, also a student of the same school, and alias Nash, 14 years old, also of the same school. Initially, it appears that the motive of the crime is grudge for school bullying. As of now, we have recovered 40 shells, empty shells, at the crime scene. The firearms used were a 9mm Glock and a caliber .38 arms core.